Hello guys, good morning. Here I'll be talking little using a good app for beginners which is called Messari.io. You can see Messari.io is a crypto research platform that gives you a full anatomy of cryptos on what to buy. So if you are looking for what to buy or you are looking to know about a certain crypto, then Messari.io is your right target. You can see now. Okay, let's take on Terra Luna. Click on Terra Luna. You will see that Messari.io will give you a full insight on the assets, the performance on the period of time, its ROI. You can see, and you see that too. Messari.io is a place you want to be. Okay, I'm just going to talk about this app, then where you can see you can buy, and you can see a quick one, the various exchanges that supported the coin, various exchanges, and you can see the monthly percentage, 3 months, 7 days, and so on, and the yearly, which the ROI that said coin has gone in a period of time. So before I go further, you will see that the market is in a good dip, so it's a good time to harness the market, to buy at a discount. So any coin you're eventually looking for, Messari.io is your option. It's a good time to buy. I hope you understand. Any question, hit the like button, follow for more of the videos on crypto, and no problem.